Located in Iceland, the Gullfoss waterfall is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. This majestic waterfall is known for its stunning landscape and is often referred to as the Golden Falls due to the golden hue created by the glacial sediment in the water. Now viewers can see the majesty of Gullfoss waterfall via drone video. Aerial footage shows the vastness of the surrounding landscape and emphasizes the power of the cascading water. Gullfoss waterfall is a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Its powerful cascades, which drop into a rugged canyon, create a mesmerizing sight that leaves visitors in awe. The sheer force of the water rushing down creates a magnificent display of nature's power. Tourism at Gullfoss waterfall has been on the rise in recent years, as more and more travelers discover its beauty. Visitors can explore various viewpoints to capture stunning photographs or simply immerse themselves in the tranquility of this natural wonder.